This is breaking news from the Las Vegas Review-Journal, sponsored by Michael Gaughan's South Point Hotel, Casino, and Spa.
And I'm the Director of Regional Organizing with Planned Parenthood of the Rocky Mountains and Planned Parenthood Votes Nevada. I'll be emceeing this afternoon. This morning, the Supreme Court released its final decision in Dobbs v. Jackson Women's Health Organization, overturning the constitutional right to abortion previously established by Roe v. Wade, and turned its back on nearly 50 years of legal precedent protecting a woman's right to their own body, health, and futures. The loss of abortion rights today, again, nearly 50 years after they were cemented as a constitutional right, is outrageous and sends alarming signals for our democracy and hard-won civil rights broadly. We know that the American people believe that abortion is health care, plain and simple. But today's ruling marks a deeply troubling turning point in our nation's history, and that will exacerbate existing inequities in healthcare access for communities already harmed by systemic racism. While the loss of abortion access is devastating for the over 36 million women, trans, and non-binary people of reproductive age living in the states, which now or will soon have abortion bans in place, the burden of indigenous, rural, and poor communities. This will mean that subsidying abortion care will force to travel hundreds
This is why we exist. Our nation's infrastructure was built upon a foundation of patriarchy and white supremacy. It was never meant to protect us, but we can protect us and the rest of our community. We hope that you'll take the time that you need to mourn, and when you're ready, we hope that you'll help us in our mission to provide funding and resources for abortion seekers in Nevada and those traveling to Nevada for care. Abortion is still legal in Nevada. This work doesn't change today, it only becomes more essential. But we're ready, and we cannot do this without you. Thank you.
Thank you, Macy. And now I'd like to invite up Governor Steve Sisolak.
I don't need any applause. That's okay. Thank you. Thank you, everyone, for being here with us this afternoon, and for these young women that are sharing their stories and their situations with us. We sincerely appreciate it. These are the voices that matter the most, especially right now. And these are the voices that the Supreme Court needs to be listening to. The Supreme Court's decision to reverse a decades-long precedent, let me repeat that, decades-long precedent of Roe v. Wade is devastating and is dangerous. This will jeopardize the lives and well-being of millions of Americans across our country. I want to reassure you, and not only my daughters, I want to reassure them, but for all women, everyone seeking reproductive health care, I will not stand by and let this outdated idea that women can't make the right decisions for their own bodies to take over our lives. Politicians should never have a say when it comes to the person. I will fight this with you and support you.
You've been watching breaking news from the Las Vegas Review-Journal, sponsored by Michael Gaughan's South Point Hotel, Casino, and Spa.